What up, guys? So as you can see, this is the next project for this week. Full wrap, full color change. This is the same one that I've done twice already. A very good client of mine, and we're doing all three of his cars again. He just got bored and we're redoing them. So yeah, the old color was really nice, but everything gets boring after a while. So fully unwrapped it. As you can see, it's back to its normal color. It used to be that caliper color, like a satin yellow. So yeah, fully unwrapped, prepped, washed, everything's taken off that needs to be off. The handles, I'm gonna get to them when I get to the doors. And as usual, we don't mess with any of the carbon because that was aftermarket kit, and there's no reason to mess with it when you could get full coverage with it on. So yeah, guys, I mean, it's an amazing car. I actually picked it up from his house, and it's about a 30-minute drive, so I got to experience it, and it's amazing, comfortable. I know why people talk about it as one of the best dailies. Comfortable, you got the power, you got the looks, and you just can't go wrong with it. So yeah, gonna get started on it today. I just need to do a little bit more prep, like just making sure all the edges are nice and taken care of, you know, finding random little spots like that. But yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. So we're doing this color right here. It's called Satin Millennium Jade Metallic. So this color is actually based off of the famous color on the Skyline GTR R34. I don't know if it came out on the R34 or the R35, but this is one of their factory colors, and they made it in a satin finish. So this is from APA. It's an Italian company, and it's my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. But this is the only company that makes this color and this finish. He wanted exactly this color, so we had to get it from there. But yeah, I think it's gonna look crazy. It's like a Green Goblin color, and it's gonna look insane with all the carbon that this car has. So I'm gonna get started on the hood. As usual, I'm gonna do knifeless tape on the gloss black painted area. So only this, the center section on the body lines, and the other side is gonna be wrapped, and then the middles are gonna be exposed. So I'll get started on that and update you guys. Alright guys, final update on the Urus. This thing came out ridiculous. I mean, you can see the color is crazy. I call it the Green Goblin color. because this shade of green just can't be found. It's a brand new color. Just came out, showed it to my customer. He instantly decided on it, didn't even hesitate. It just looks so sick. It's perfect for a car like this that has all this carbon on it. The hood, we left the middle exposed like last time. So as you can see, you know, it just looks ridiculous with this kit. Perfect color for the car, honestly. This color won't work on every car, but for cars that have body lines, sharp body lines like this, you know, the carbon just adds that perfect touch to it. So this car is just one of a kind. You know, you can't really replicate this on a normal car without any, you know, kit on it, but it will look nice on most sports cars. It's just a beautiful shade of green. So we fully unwrapped it. As you guys saw, it used to be yellow like the calipers from KPMF. It was the matte yellow ice titanium. Now it's this. This is a new brand from Italy. It's been around and I just never used it because nobody picks colors from there, but this specific color is only made by them, so I had to use it. And honestly, I know it might sound corny, but the material even felt like luxurious, like no joking. It just felt completely different. It was like a mix of KPMF and Avery. So yeah, everything's perfect on this thing this time. Wrap wise, we finished the roof off because he rushed me last time, so we never even got a chance to do the little roof piece and the antenna. So the whole roof is black now, looks panoramic. And once he gets this car, I'll never get my hands on it again because he just loves it so much. It's his main daily driver, even here in the Chicago winter. So yeah, he also got the wheels refinished while I had the car. And we left the calipers yellow, and he wanted to color match them, and he still might, but I think it looks pretty dope in yellow. I mean, look at that shot right there. And then as I'm looking at it even more, the interior has yellow stitching. So I think leaving those calipers is the move in yellow. It looks pretty sick. These side vents are different from the original ones that I had. I guess he replaced them at some point, but either way, they look pretty cool. They have this net on the back and carbon covers that. So yeah, all part of the kit. You know, I had to remove these every single time. Same thing on the back side. The kit does have some rock chips. The lip has like a crack just because, like I said, it's his daily driver. It's not perfect. What it can use is some spacers though, because as you can see, those wheels are pretty tucked in there. But yeah, finally fully done. I mean, I doubt he'll keep longer than normal, but you know, when you get a fresh wrap, it's always exciting and you think you're gonna keep it, but everyone gets bored. So we'll see what his next choice is. But for now, Lambo Urus done again. This is a very good client of mine. So we're redoing. If he likes this color, I'm about to go drop it off to him. If he likes this color, which he already seen a sneak peek of, we're matching his TRX and the Vet to it. So I'm gonna be busy with those. So yeah, we did the fins on the back. Put little pieces on that to match the color. Came out pretty cool, aggressive. We did it with the last one. And it just adds that little hint. Same thing on the front, fins. So yeah, I mean, overall, guys, this car is insane. It's a Lamborghini, so you can't really, can't beat it looks-wise. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I'm probably gonna be doing this color a lot. I just have this feeling that it's gonna be a really popular color because this shade of green, like I said, it just started getting made, this color, and nobody else makes it other than this company, APA, in Italy. So yeah, there it is, guys. Let me know what you think.